YooHoo! Subscribe!
Do you hear the sound of Christmas? That's my cue to get ready to fly. I will be Santa's assistant. I will help him soar through the sky. Put on my red nose, light up my antlers, gear up for Christmas. Hear the laughing children. That means it's time for me to work. I've been waiting for this moment, my chance to go around the world. Put on my red nose, light up my antlers, gear up for Christmas. The streets are all so empty. What happened to all the snow?
Aw, poor Jolly. She's been waiting for Christmas all year. Jolly is a reindeer living in the North Pole. She has big, beautiful antlers. But these days, the Earth is getting warmer, and there's less snow. Even the glacier in the North Pole is melting. If this keeps up, forget about White Christmas. We may not even see snow in winter. We need all your help to keep the North Pole cold. Will you help? See you next week!
YooHoo! Subscribe!